So you got yourself some new AirTags, stainless steel, polished. They're going to be a scratch magnet, but let's go ahead and make them scratch proof by actually scratching them more. Here's what you need. Obviously AirTags and some 600 to 1000 grit Scotch-Brite pads, some double-sided tape, and a surface to work on. So obviously unboxing these, pretty plain Jane experience. We got our AirTag inside of the paper here, and well, you can see we actually kind of get a preview of what it might look like when we're done. Now, that's only because we have this plastic wrap over the top of the AirTag, which we're gonna remove and get started with the whole thing. So as you can see, this thing has a mirror finish. It's bound to get scratches on it, but what we're gonna do is remove that little cap right there by pressing down with our thumb and twisting. This is actually the battery compartment. Yes, you can replace the battery in it. That's surprising, but let's go ahead and get our surface to work on here. I have a cutting board, and what we're going to want to do here first is put something down to secure this in place. I recommend double-sided tape. You can just take a piece off, stick it right in the middle there, and then you can place your AirTag on it so that it stays in place while we're working on the finish. Now, I'm going to use a book as a straight edge, and this will help keep our scratch pattern consistent. You just want to do straight sweeping motions across the stainless steel there, and well, let's get started on the real thing here. Just easy does it, nice and slow, starting out with the 1000 grit Scotch-Brite pad, and then if you want to make it a little more textured, you can move up to something like here, like the 600 grit that I'm using, and get a nice matte finish look. Stupid thing is looking like a freaking stainless steel refrigerator now, and boy, did it turn out beautiful. So now, we're taking a left turn on Easy Street, just gonna put it back together, pop it back in the slot, press down with your thumb, turn it the opposite direction, and look at that. Way less prone to getting scratches. And of course, we gotta put the finishing move on this bad boy. I got the AirTag key ring here, and I'm just gonna pop this out of the package. And once this is in here, it looks so uniform because, well, the stainless steel now matches actually the button above it. I think it just has a much better look between the two, as opposed to just being super polished and shiny. So that, my friends, is how to customize and, well, basically scratch-proof your AirTags by scratching it more. Pretty simple concept, but I really dig the look. I think it looks super clean. And let me know if you try it out or your success rate, or, you know, tweet me pictures if you want. Follow me on social media. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate all the continued support. My name is Dom, and I will catch you in the next video.